September 2003, Clemson University, South Carolina. Dr. Thomas Boland files the first patent for inkjet 3D printing of viable cells. Already a multi-billion-dollar industry, this process involves placing biological materials into modified ink cartridges and printing onto biopaper made of soy and collagen.
What we see is little petri dishes with a culture medium like agar in them, and then you have a little nozzle that comes over and spray paints these little hexagons onto the agar, and within only a few minutes they start growing cells, and they become these brown spots, which are the beginnings of human livers.
Dr. Bowling has some very interesting research looking at printing cell tissue. I think that opens up some very interesting ideas about how to biomanufacture things. At some point it'll have application in the field of robotics, especially as we start combining devices with the human body.
Many believe this is the first step in constructing engineered human organs. Ultimately, the goal is to do the same for every other part of the human body. But there is a movement to go much further in merging biology with technology. It is called transhumanism.
The ultimate goal of the transhumanists is to become an immortal god. And literally, these people believe that they will merge with technology and become cyborgs. They believe that they will unlock the immortality, anti-aging systems encoded into the human race, and that will be the supposed final evolution of human beings as they ascend into godhood.
Some experts believe that by the year 2050, scientists and engineers will have unlocked the secrets of immortality through the production of artificial organs and silicone-based structures. Ancient astronaut theorists suggest that considering the fact that we are experimenting with transhumanism today, it is very possible a more advanced extraterrestrial race has already achieved similar technological advancements.
A civilization millions of years older than us could have actually evolved much beyond the baby steps that we're taking right now.
If we are doing this, is it possible that another civilization has done the same thing, but perhaps thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of years before us? When we look at some of these ancient texts that we have, we're always talking about ancient astronauts that came to visit us. But what if we were visited by machines? And so the idea then arises, will we ourselves be able to become cyborgs?
Companies have actually built what are called neural interfaces, where they have wired computers into people's brains. They believe that they can map the entire human brain and all of the data that's stored in it and then replicate it into an artificial intelligent silicone-based system where it can then be stored and essentially never die.
Is it possible that an entirely non-biological being could have sentience? And if extraterrestrials have been visiting Earth for thousands of years, might it be more likely that they are actually fully robotic beings?
Biological entities may actually be a rarity in the cosmos. We may be largely living in a universe where the real intelligence is out there, and perhaps coming down here are robots.
There are some who believe that machines may have already achieved a level of intelligence vastly in excess of our own, and that they may be giving us a trail of breadcrumbs to help us rebuild the technology that would get us to become enough like them that we could eventually be merged into their society in some fashion.